Imagine a world in which you're exchanging data, which could be your transaction information, your statement data, but also you're making payments in real time. That creates a whole new ecosystem in which information is exchanged between a whole variety of new organisations. Some are established brands and some are new brands that offer new ranges of services. What I think it will create is new data partnerships. So banks will find ways to create new services to actually help retain customers, to ensure that they're not disintermediated from their customers at the moment. Some of those relationships could be with retailers, for example. So we could have a situation whereby a bank will look at your transactional behaviour and partner with a retailer. On the basis of that, you'll get offers and rewards from that retailer that helps you get money off your shopping at that retailer when you go and shop in store. So that's an illustration of whereby organisations that previously would have very different and disparate relationships will come together, will utilise data and work collaboratively to actually, for the benefit of the consumer, by sharing information, and that has a benefit in terms of your everyday life. So that's a great illustration of how open banking will foster the creation of new relationships between organisations, and all of that will be facilitated by the exchange of information in real time. So another example might be that a fintech creates a dashboard for you, which is populated every day by data feeds coming into that dashboard. That dashboard will constantly analyse your payment, your transactional behaviour, and give you advice as to the way you can spend your money better. So there could be offers over here, there could be a new service over here where you've got money off and so forth. It could also tell you midway through the month when it's looking as if your spending behaviour means you're going to fall into debt. So what are you going to do about that? It could actually help you to rein back on your spending, but it might also say, look, you're going to go into debt, so we advise that you get a short-term loan to tide you over that debt period, and then you pay it back at some future date when you have the right money in your account. So there are going to be whole new applications that come to market that consumers are going to have to engage with. Some are going to be online, some are going to be in store, there'll be new data partnerships formed between organisations, and the idea is that that will create new value out of data, and consumers will get to better understand the value of their data, and organisations will help them exploit the value of that data. And that's a massive change from where we are now. And that's going to be quite interesting in terms of how organisations themselves capitalise on that, but also how consumers respond to it and the benefits that accrue on the back of that.